people are curious about ways to either delay developing gray hair or to fix it, and that's what I want to focus in on today.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been noticing a few more grey hairs lately, you're not alone. Grey hair is a natural part of aging, but many people wonder if there's any way to reverse or slow down the process. Well, in today's video, we're diving into how you might be able to reverse grey hair naturally with some helpful tips and remedies. First, let's understand why we get grey hair. Grey hair happens when the pigment-producing cells in your hair follicles, called melanocytes, gradually produce less melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives your hair its color. As we age, the melanocytes slow down or stop producing melanin, leading to the loss of color. Genetics play a big role, but other factors like stress, poor diet, and even lifestyle can speed up the process. Now that we know why grey hair occurs, let's explore some ways to prevent it or potentially reverse it. One, healthy diet and nutrition. One of the most effective ways to tackle grey hair is from the inside out. A nutrient-rich diet can support healthy hair growth. Make sure to include foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. For example, vitamin B12, iron, and copper are essential for maintaining natural hair color. Foods like eggs, leafy greens, nuts, and fish can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support melanin production. 2. Increase catalase enzyme levels. Catalase is an enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide, which can accumulate in hair follicles and bleach your hair. When catalase levels drop with age, hydrogen peroxide builds up, causing grey hair. Some studies suggest that foods like pineapple, cabbage, and garlic may help boost catalase levels, potentially preventing or even reversing grey hair. 3. Coconut oil and curry leaves. Coconut oil is packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that can nourish the scalp and hair follicles. When combined with curry leaves, it's believed to help restore hair pigmentation. You can create a simple remedy by boiling curry leaves in coconut oil, then massaging the mixture into your scalp. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Regular use may help restore hair color over time. 4. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a powerhouse when it comes to hair health. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help boost melanin production. You can consume amla in powder form, add it to hair masks, or apply amla oil directly to the scalp to nourish and protect your hair from premature graying. 5. Black sesame seeds. In traditional Chinese medicine, black sesame seeds have been used to prevent graying. The seeds are rich in copper and other essential nutrients that may support melanin production. You can eat a spoonful of black sesame seeds daily, or add them to smoothies or salads for a natural way to combat grey hair. Lifestyle tips to prevent grey hair. Reduce stress. Stress is often linked to premature graying, so managing stress is a key part of keeping your hair youthful. Practices like meditation, yoga, and regular exercise can reduce stress and promote better overall health, which may help prevent or delay the onset of grey hair. 2. Proper hair care. Proper hair care is essential in maintaining healthy hair. Avoid harsh chemicals, excessive heat, and tight hairstyles that can damage the hair and scalp. Using gentle, natural shampoos and conditioners, as well as avoiding overwashing, can help keep your hair strong and vibrant. 3. Quit smoking. It's been shown that smoking accelerates the process of aging, including premature graying. Quitting smoking can not only improve your overall health but also help slow down the graying process. So if you're looking to preserve your natural hair color, reducing or eliminating smoking is a great step. Natural hair, dyes and solutions. You're looking for an instant solution to grey hair. Natural dyes can help cover up the greys without using harsh chemicals. Henna is a popular natural hair dye that has been used for centuries to restore color to the hair. Another option is using coffee or tea to darken your hair temporarily. These are safe, natural alternatives to commercial hair dyes. You can also try herbal treatments like using sage, rosemary, or hibiscus flowers to create natural hair colorants. These remedies may not provide dramatic changes, but with consistent use, they could help blend the grey hairs and restore a darker shade. While there's no magic formula to completely reverse grey hair, these natural remedies and lifestyle changes can certainly help slow down the process and even restore some of your natural hair colour. Remember, genetics play a major role, so it's important to embrace the process of aging while focusing on keeping your hair healthy. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.